Is your factory still cutting electrical insulation materials by hand? Stop losing time and money to manual labor. Meet the Omni Oscillating Knife Digital Cutter. This is not just a machine, it's a productivity powerhouse. Engineered specifically for complex, delicate materials, our digital cutter handles everything from DMD and green shell insulation paper to gaskets and intricate insulation components. With its advanced vibration knife technology, you get clean, precise cuts with no burned edges or material deformation. Say goodbye to expensive dies and hello to a future of unlimited design possibilities. Our user-friendly software makes it easy to switch between designs in seconds. From single prototypes to high-volume production, the Omni Digital Cutter delivers unmatched accuracy and speed, ready to boost your efficiency and precision. Contact us today for a free demonstration and a custom quote.